Namaste everyone. In this video we will learn how to keep our joints healthy. These movements are very simple and effective to use in your daily practice. It is very helpful in conditions like arthritis and especially if you live in cold weather conditions. So let's start.
Sit with the legs outstretched, using the arms to support the back. Keep the spine straight and be aware of your toes. Exhale and move only the toes of both feet forward. Inhale, move the toes backward. Keeping the feet upright and the ankles relaxed and motionless. This is 1 round. Repeat 10 rounds. Remain in the same position. Slowly move both feet forward and backward, bending them from the ankle joint using the breath. Inhale as the feet move backward, exhale as the feet move forward. Keep the awareness on the foot, ankle, calf, and leg. Repeat 10 rounds of this practice. Keep the legs shoulder width apart and straight. Slowly rotate both feet together in the same direction. Inhale on the upward movement, exhale on the downward movement. Keep the awareness on the rotation of ankle and the breath. Practice 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Bend the right knee and gently place the foot on the left thigh. Hold the toes of the right foot with the left hand. With the aid of left hand, slowly rotate the right foot. Inhale on the upward movement, exhale on the downward movement. 10 times clockwise, then 10 times anti-clockwise. Keep the awareness on the rotation and the breath. Change the leg and repeat with the left foot placed on the right thigh. Inhale, gently contract the muscle surrounding the knee, drawing the kneecap back towards the thigh. Hold the contraction for 3 to 5 seconds, counting mentally. Exhale while relaxing the knee muscles. Practice 10 times. Bend the right knee, bringing the thigh near the chest and clasp the hands under the right thigh. Inhale, straighten the right leg, pulling up the kneecap. Exhale, bend the right knee so that the thigh comes close to the chest and heel near the groin. This is 1 round. Practice 10 rounds with the right leg and then 10 rounds with the left leg. Bend both knees together, bringing the thighs near the chest. Hold the back of the thighs. Inhale, straighten the legs as much as you can without straining and balance on the buttocks. Exhale, bend the knees and bring the legs back to the starting position. This is 1 round. Practice 5 to 10 rounds, keeping the heels off the floor throughout the practice. Bend the right knee and bring the thigh near the chest. Under the right thigh, cross the arms holding the elbows. Rotate the lower leg from the knee in a large circular movement. Inhale on the upward movement, exhale on the downward movement. Rotate 10 times clockwise and then 10 times anti-clockwise. Repeat with the left leg. Bend the right leg and place the right foot comfortably on the left thigh. Hold the toes of the right foot with the left hand. Place the right hand on the top of the bent right knee. While breathing in, gently move the right knee up towards the chest. Breathing out, gently push the knee down and try to touch the knee to the floor. The trunk should not move. Do not force this movement in any way. The leg muscles should be passive. Slowly practice 10 up and down movements. Repeat with the left leg. Sit with the right foot on the left thigh. The index finger may be pointed out and used as a guide to perfection of the circular movement. Use the right hand to rotate the right knee in a circle and make the circular movement as large as possible. Practice 10 rotation clockwise and 10 rotation anti-clockwise. Straighten the leg slowly, repeat with the left leg.